Ochatike. Mescaline on the beat.
I knew today you'd say that you could not stay. That you tell me you really need to go. It's all the same, the late you got a board of plane. But there's something you really need to know. Each time you walk out that door, I'm left crying on the floor. I can't take this anymore. You leave me so easily to keep going overseas. Love abroad much more than me, but I can't wait. No, I wanna wait. And it pains. It hurts to love you so much. No, I can't wait.
Want to look at Mubago. See this hustle, they hustle for me and you. And all I need is trust from you. If I don't go up, I don't want nothing to come out. So leave me, make a hustle, make something for come out. You just think that I don't care, but I think that it's not fair. Cause our dreams are waiting over there. Leave me, make a hustle hard, oh. Give you everything you want, oh. So you and I can live together
But I
forever.
can't wait. No, I wanna wait. And it pains. It hurts to love you so much. No, I can't wait. You said that you'd be there for me, but I want you to be here with me. Instead of here all alone, waiting by the phone when you're coming home, baby.
I told you that I got you, and your back is just to trust me too. Just for a little while longer, baby, we'll be together soon.
It's hurting me inside. I need you here tonight.
Mwarapum kambutigenu, mwarapum kambategonu. Asim na
But I can't wait. No, I wanna wait. And it pains. It hurts to love you so much. No, I can't wait. Can't wait for you to love me.
Can't wait for you to trust me.
It's killing me inside.
That's why I love my pride. Girl, you dey bust my brain. You dey make me go insane.
I can't take it anymore.
I demand over you.
You got me looking so crazy right now. I'm crying on the floor.
I'm crying on the floor. In my body, they come.
Mix Promax.